Okay, in today's video, we'll be looking at percentage multipliers. So this is just a warm-up task and then we'll move on. I'll post the answer soon. So a percentage is just a special fraction. When you see the pair amount, it's like per apple, per banana, per cake, and the cent is a Latin word for 100. So it's per 100. So we're looking at. So when we say a 15%, it's 15 per 100. So you can actually write it as a special fraction over 100, and that equals 0.15. That's what we're looking for with percentages. So if I wanted 15% of 100, I'll do 100 times 0.15 equals 15. 200%, yeah, 15% of 200 times it by there, and there you are. And that's all we're looking for with percentages. So do two more examples. If I want to find 20% of something, it's going to be, we're going to multiply it by 20 over 100, and that equals 0.2. Again, if I want to find 30% of something, I'm going to do times the fraction, and that's going to equal times 0.3. And that's what we're looking for with our multipliers. So practice questions, it looks like a lot, but you should fly through these. Find me the multiplier. So the first one I can see, 40 over 100 equals 0.4. That's what you're timesing it by. Timesing it by 0.4. I've already done the first one for you. Okay, so come back out. And then you're going to fly through the rest of these. And then, like I said, everything you have, all you're doing is you're dividing it by 100. Answers are here to self-mark. And then let's move on. Okay, model. How does we decrease by 60%? Well, all we're doing, we're not multiplying it by this. We're going to do 100%. We want to decrease it by 60%. And that's going to equal 40%. So now, when we decrease it by 60%, that's what we want to find. We want to find 40% of something. And now we just do the simple 40 over 100 equals 0.4. So a decrease of 60% is, let's say, £200. We want to decrease it by 60%, times it by 0.4, and that is going to equal us 80. Okay, let's look at the question over here. Decrease by 70%, well, 100%. Take away 70%. Equals 30%, and there we are. Our multiplier is going to be 30 over 100, and that's going to equal 0.3. Okay, there we are. Same thing again. You should fly through these. I reckon 20 seconds, maybe 30 per question. You'll get comfortable with it. And again, use a calculator for these tricky ones at the end. Or you want to calculate for them. Remember, we're dividing them by 100. But first, when we decrease 100, take away it. So for the first one, I'll help you out. 100%, take away 10%, equals 90%. So therefore, the multiplier will be times 0.9. Okay, I'm going to release the answer soon. I can't give you everything. And then you can do an application in your book. Karen gets a bill. The cost of the gas before the VAT was added was 361.20. VAT is charged at 5%. So what that means for anyone who's not aware of VAT, you're going to add 5% on. That's your tax. What was the cost of the gas bill including tax? So find 5% and add it on. And then do that in your book, send me the photo, and then last but not least, we'll do a Google form. Should be a pretty comfortable fluency lesson, lots of fun. Let's just get these multipliers down and make sure we're concrete and solid with them before we move on to some more trickier math.